Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Grand National Roadster Show, where we're just wrapping up the first day here, and we're just here enjoying the beautiful Week to Wicked 55 two-door sedan. Let's just kind of go over this car and cover some of the things. First of all, as you see, it's featuring some beautiful Danchuk chrome pieces with our newly redesigned grille. And let's take a look up under the hood what we did on this car. And what we've chosen here is to run an LT4 backed by a Tremec 5-speed. And what we've got over here as well is we've got CPP's Hydrostop power assist unit and CPP's 500 steering box. Now this car is built on a factory chassis, and let me back up here for it so you can kind of get it. We were able to get a really nice stance on that. This car sits about 4 inches lower than stock. Come around here. Now the paint is called a bootlegger red with a moonshine silver on the top, so we kind of got a familiar kind of theme going on there. Sitting on a beautiful set of American Legend racer wheels. Let's take a look inside the interior here. And TMI has knocked it out of the park once again. They did the interior in our 57 Chevy. Let's kind of take a look around in here. Kind of did a plaid theme here. There's that beautiful Tremec 6-speed transmission. I just love driving those things. Just a great kind of vintage look going on in there. And a list of the sponsors who've helped build this car. You got Danchuk Manufacturing in there as well. Just kind of back up here and get a little three-quarter shot from the back. Just an absolute stunning car. Got a 57 or Danchuk smoothie bumper there on the back. And anyways, this has just been an awesome day. We've had an awesome crowd. It's starting to wind down here. The crowd's starting to thin out, as you can see. But we've been having a great time talking to people, getting to meet a lot of people. We've been talking about the West Coast Invasion coming up here in May 1st and 2nd. Be sure to check that out. We've got entry forms for that, so come on by and pick it up and make sure that you get into that action, because that's going to be just an awesome show out at Famosa Raceway. Just get another angle of that there. But just a beautiful day, a beautiful car, beautiful people. Just a great time to be had by all. And let's just kind of pan around here. What we've got here in our building number 6 is we've got a bunch of cars for the Al Slonaker Memorial Award. Now basically these are cars that are going to be competing that are not roadsters. So you're going to get all kinds of a mix of stuff going on here. You got this beautiful Chevy 56 Chevy truck. Just look at this thing. It's just absolutely gorgeous. These are high level, unreal builds here. We've got a 68 Camaro here, and in the background you've got a 56 Chevy. And anyways, just to give you a little bit of sampling of what's going on. But here at Danchuk Manufacturing, we're here for a couple more days. Tomorrow's the big day. Saturday it runs from 10 to 8 o'clock. So be sure to come on out and check it out. The outside is going to be full of cars. We're going to probably get between 500 and 800 more cars here tomorrow, and a lot more people. So it's a good time to be had by all. So till next time, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Grand National Roadster Show at the Fairplex in Pomona. Stay tuned. Talk to you soon.